Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. One of the customer has called me. Chiller is not cooling, so I'm going there. It's one of the construction site. Actually, there is canteen. In the canteen, inside the canteen, there is one of the small mini market, mini shop. They are using the chiller. So let me go there and check actually what is the problem, what is the reason is chiller is not cooling. Yeah, I have arrived here. Yeah, this is the shop and this is the chiller, one door chiller. Yeah, temperature is 37 degrees Celsius, so not cool. Let me remove the back cover. So after I have removed the back cover, I check compressor is running but condenser is not hot. Let me check the gas. When I install the gas meter, see no gas, so gas has gone. So what is the reason gas has gone, we have to check. And finally I found one of the joint is like oily, so maybe here leak. So I have to check by soap. See, bubble is coming. So yeah, it's gone from its leak is here. Yeah, so this is the reason gas has gone. So I have to welding here. It will take just few minutes only. Yeah, after welding then we'll check it back again. I hope there will be no leak. Yeah, so it's confirmed no leak is there. So let me refill the gas. So I put 5 psi, one R134 gas, 5 psi, because it's very small chiller. So 5 psi is running pressure, so will be good. Temperature dropping now, temperature is 26. Inside also, yeah, alhamdulillah, inside is cooling. So alhamdulillah, it is done. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.